Welcome, 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 Seema. Welcome to this Hall of Fame interview. Congratulations on completion of your diamond journey. So, how has your experience been?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Actually, today I'm speaking with a heart full of gratitude and emotions, ma'am. A deep faith as I reflect on my 8 months diamond journey, a journey that has truly transformed me from within. Okay, when I started this journey, I was really means having some fear, uh, especially stage fear. Speaking in front of people and expressing myself felt difficult. But today I'm here speaking at all of you with confidence. And this transformation has come because of this beautiful journey. First, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Vishal sir. Sir, your guidance, your belief in us, and has truly transformed means like our thinking. So you did not just teach us, you has changed our lives. So a heartful thanks to you, sir, and Sunita ma'am. Your calm, your nourishing support, your means learning so easy and teaching us in a beautiful way, and it's very nice of you, ma'am, and a very thankful to the Vipin sir also, as Vipin sir also has encouraged and given us very much clarity about the this marketing journey. And I would also like to thank all the accountability members. You all have been amazing. Your support, your positive, and creating an environment where we did not just learn, we grew together, right? In this 8 months journey, I have learned so many things, more than I ever expected. Naturopathy, natural healing, healthy lifestyle, affirmations, positive thinking, and but along with this, I want to share something very personal, my mother's healing journey. Before this, there was always a fear, if we don't eat medicines, then this will happen. If we don't take treatment, then this will happen. But this fear has always in the somewhere else. But after this journey, through naturopathy, through natural healing, my mother health was improved beautifully. I was very much relaxed with this. And not just her health, our mindset also changed. The fear of tablets, the dependency on medicines has gone. Everything has gone. Now there is a confidence in health, in the natural healing. And in today's world, actually, we are afraid of every disease, right? Thinking about allopathy medicines that only cures us. But this belief has changed, and now my belief is only in the means I believe in Allah Ta'ala that everything He guides us in a proper way. So in that journey, I come to know about this naturopathy Vishal sir's course. It's a very means it has given a God's gift to us, that He has shown God has shown us the right path, how to heal ourselves and how to heal other people's. And I'm deeply, deeply thankful to Allah Ta'ala for giving this opportunity, for guiding me, and for making my mother's healing journey so fruitful. Actually, in Islam, we are taught that serving our parents is one of the greatest act. And today, I truly feel that being a part of my mother's healing journey is a blessing for me, because when we serve our parents, no, Allah Ta'ala puts barakat in our lives. Barakat means success in our life. So, and opens the doors of success of us. So, this journey does not just give me knowledge, it gave me new identity, from fear to confidence, from doubt to belief, from learning to healing. So, actually, seeing healing is in my own home. So, honestly, I never expected to gain so much. So, but today I can proudly say I have received far more than I imagined. This diamond journey is not just course, ma'am. It is a life-changing experience. Thank you to each and everyone for being a part of this journey. I will always carry these learnings, this confidence, and this faith with me. So I am very grateful that I have such a good family. Apart from my family, my in-laws family, this is another family. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Seema. Thank you so much. I know you've been really deeply involved with healing of your mother, but have you started healing others as well?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, my aunt is there. She started, but she did not charge me. And 4-5 members, I prepared everything, a platform of starting the journey. So I'm supposed to start now.
That's okay. So you can
4-5 members are.
You render free service because you are like a trainee learning. You get experience, so that is your earning initially. And once you become more confident, go out and heal the world. You will all do so well.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Actually, I have done. Yeah, I have done on my own. No, so by seeing me, they are very much attractive, and they are supposed to start the journey.
Chalo, that's great. So if you yourself become a role model, then people will follow. Chalo, all the best to you for your future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.